Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Cobra Trading Review My Usage Experience. Cobra Trading Review My Usage Experience offers educational resources and reviews related to Cobra Trading, a trading system. It's targeted at aspiring and experienced traders looking to learn more about this specific trading methodology and gauge its effectiveness. Key features likely include reviews, analysis of the system's performance, and potentially access to a community forum. Their website provides details on specific offerings and pricing. Cobra Trading Review emphasizes its unbiased approach to evaluating the Cobra trading system. They claim to provide transparent analysis and in-depth reviews, helping users make informed decisions about whether or not to use the system. The website highlights the experience of the reviewers and the thoroughness of their analysis. Pricing information is readily available on their site. There are no hidden fees that I could find. The platform uses readily available information and its own proprietary analysis techniques. Availability is universal as it's an online service. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Cobra Trading Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was incredibly easy. I simply navigated to their website and started browsing the available reviews. The interface was clean and intuitive, making it easy to find specific information. I was particularly interested in their analysis of Cobra Trading's risk management strategies. The reviews themselves were thorough, including both positive and negative aspects of the system. I appreciated the balanced perspective, which helped me form my own opinion. The quality of the analysis felt robust and well-researched. I did have a quick question about a specific data point in one of the reviews, and their support responded within 2 days via email. That was appreciated. A standout feature for me was definitely the depth of their analysis. One minor drawback was the lack of interactive charts or graphs. It would be helpful to visualize some of the data presented. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Cobra Trading Review My Usage Experience. It provided me with valuable insights into the Cobra trading system that helped me make an informed decision about whether or not to invest in it. That's my overview of Cobra Trading Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.